and discuss very important topic, image optimization. So how to get more traffic on your website using Google Images or any kind of search engine images. So first of all, go to Google. Any keyword will be selecting by the particular keyword. They are showing for relevant images. When you click the image, they go into particular one site. How to index this image on your Google search engine list in your first position? Google search engine list into first position. So in this call, we can use option is the image optimization. That mean by Pinterest. That mean by Pinterest. Pinterest.com based on the country option will be changed. India in.pinterest.com. In.pinterest.com. So we can log in for your account by using Gmail and you log in for Pinterest. Suppose you're not using for Gmail, log in with the Yahoo or Outlook. Any option will be workable. So Pinterest, most of the login will be Google. If you're not using Google account, you can log in for Yahoo and Outlook. So after install your Pinterest toolbar, and toolbar nothing but your browser extension. Add to Chrome. Add your extension. The extension will be displayed by in your option here. The extension will display by in your option. See this. What is that? Pinterest toolbar. Change your position. Now need your option. Close. Close. Now, this is my website. In this website, how to advertise in one image multiple keywords. Coming to Pinterest, each board one keyword. Each board one keyword. Here, option is called what is it? Create pin. Pin nothing but your image. Pin nothing but your image. Now you can select. I'm selecting a particular one option. What is the image? Indoor swimming pool in Abits. So copy, paste. So same keyword, image will be one, but I can promote for the multiple keywords. See the steps. Image above the showing for save button. Which one? Save button. Save button nothing but when installed by your Pinterest toolbar, the using for save button will be enabled. Or else select by Pinterest. What icon? Save. Two options. One is called image selected. Click for save. Now the save option. What is my keyword? Indoor swimming pool, Abits and Hyderabad. What is my board? Create a board with particular one keyword. What is my keyword is? Indoor swimming pool, Abits and Hyderabad. Create. Board was created with particular URL. Done. Close. Same image. Right click and save. Now I'm changing the keyword. Create board. In this season, indoor swimming pool, Abits and Hyderabad. Create. What is the previous last board? Instagram. Now click for refresh. How many boards I'm creating here? Two board. Two board nothing but two keywords. Created. Open your keyword. What is the keyword name? Cheese under swimming pool, Abits and Hyderabad. Finally, open your site. Site was open. This site will be crawled by image where search engine list with your using two keywords. I'm selecting one more keyword. Indoor swimming pool Abits. Still scrolling here. Save. Create board. Now click for PH. Go to Pinterest. Select your account. We use only for two boards. Another board will be creating here. Now coming to a refresh. How many boards? 1, 2, and 3. Image is 1. How many keywords are promoting? Total 3 keywords. So mention image will be 1 to promote by the 3 keywords. So I'm changing here. I'm selecting any other options. Select over one more. Copy. Same option. Click for save. Create board. And create your option. Now understanding. If anyone asking question, how to advertise your one image multiple keyword? That is called image optimization using by the Pinterest.com. This is called just install by toolbar. So what are the website content will be there? To select your option, upload your content onto the particular Pinterest toolbar. This is the first step. Second one, the website name is called imjur.com. IMZUR, imjur.com. So first one, you can select by each and every URL and select by your content. Now here, you can select by the albums. Now click for sign in. The sign in will be your Gmail, Facebook, Twitter or Yahoo. Any option will be eligible. I'm going to Google. Sign in your option. Then log in your account. Now can see the procedure. What is showing here? Post, favorite, comment, about and images. Click for post. Selecting for new post. What option call is upload by image. What is that? Paste image URL. Two option. Upload image, paste the URL. So paste the URL nothing but go to this website, right click for image, copy image address. Two method I'm using. Copy image address, paste by here. Indexed particular image. Now in this add by your tags. Tags nothing but your keyword. To promote one image, multiple keywords. Copy. The tab will be too long. Okay. Next tag. Okay. Now click here is the option share community or add your another image. Is it clear? One image, multiple tags. So how many tags you want, you can add by your tags. Name pool, no, only. Name pools, Hyderabad. Is it clear? So share the community. So what are keyword you are highlighting here? Just write down your highlight the keyword. Click for poster public city. Done. So one is a Pinterest, second will be Imgur. So what are the website images will be there? Select the exactly your image content. Select your exact image content. Right click of your image, copy image address, select Imgur. Okay, add new post, paste the URL, and in the right corner they showing for tags. Copy tags will be certain character will be there, so you can using only for certain characters. Check the tag will be invalid character where you can check. So here I'm uploading one by one. So in this tag anything will be missing. They're showing for your option. So just upload your images. So uploading total how many images I'm done by? Two for this option. What is that? One is non-public for your particular option. How many keywords I'm adding for? Adding for total. That's your particular option. Now, suppose your URL will not accepted by your image. URL is not accepted by image. That is called second option will be there. That is by upload your images. Which one? Upload your images. Browse your file. So what are the images you have? Select by all images. Upload here. Each image add your keywords. See the first title and the description. description, select your images. See this. So every image you can add it by here. What is your all option will be here. So edit your image. Now select your all radius of your images. Click for save. So clear. First of all, you upload by multiple images, or you can upload by one image also. So two options we're using for Imgur. So the all upload image will be here. So any content to post to your website, first of all, major one is called browse your images. Second will be paste your URL. So paste your URL will be more powerful. To promote image will be multiple keywords. That option is called tags. The option is called your tag option. So that is called. So what are the keywords you mentioned? Everything will be highlighted on your only for your tags. Individual words. That is called. You can promote by everything individual words also. That is called a simple explain here. Selecting on content. Careful to watch. I'm only using for words. Copy. Image. Address. Paste it. I'm only selecting for words. Right click. When you're posting time, they show your options. How many members posting for project? 12, 44 people posting for your product option. Select inauguration. 17 posts. A total keyword. Now clear? This will be. Next to your title and next to your description. Next to your title and your description. This is a major function here, particular Imgur.com. First one is a Pinterest, second will be Imgur.com. So this will be when people search in your keyword to ranking your images in the search engine list. When people click the URL, they go into particular website. This is mean by how to get the traffic in your website using Google Images. Each images we can index by your particular Pinterest and Imgur.com. The index process will be 1 hour to 24 hours time, each and every website based on the website. Pinterest is the top one website to ranking your images, any search engine list to ranking your website traffic to increase your through images. So that is called image optimization more powerful in a particular website to getting ranking your website will be first position through Google Images.